Today is December 15, 2023. النهاردة ديسمبر 15 2023. The sun just set a few minutes ago. غروب الشمس حصل من كم دقيقة. And now the noise is a little bit coming from everywhere. الدوشة جاية من كل حتة، جاية من هنا مطرح ما في band. There is a live band playing music from 2:45 in the afternoon until now. And at the same time there is a wedding happening here. بالإضافة للفرقة الموسيقية اللي بتلعب هنا كمان في wedding، جواز. And they have tables set and torches and food and drinks, music, band, live band, open buffet وشرب وفرقة موسيقية، والناس قاعدين يتعشوا. People are sitting eating dinner. We are on the 12th floor. احنا في الدور ال 12. But we still hear everything. We hear all the music. That's a little bit disturbing because sometimes it's hard to have a nap in the afternoon because of this noise. ساعات صعب إن الواحد ينام ياخد ريست يا تعسيلة يعني من الدوشة. Some people are still swimming. Yeah, here they are. The sky looks gorgeous. السما شكلها جميل. And Lee pointed out the moon today to me. He said the moon is on. وأدي القمر. جوزي قال لي القمر طلع على طول بعد غروب الشمس. The moon came right after the sunset. This is a little bit a drawback of this hotel, is that almost every day there is a wedding. دي الحاجة شوية السلبية في الفندق ده. كل يوم في جواز، كل يوم في مزيكا كده. It's 8:30 p.m. and the wedding, of course, is still on. Still loud. I guess people are dancing there on the floor. There they are. The pools are empty. Just showing you what it looks like at 8:30 at night. It's total dark.